Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to answer the frustrating question of how do we copy and paste visible cells only. This typically occurs when you're hiding cells or hiding columns and you only want to copy and paste over the cells that are left over after you've hidden the columns you don't need. So let's get straight into it. We've got a sales data table here and there's some columns that we don't really need. In this example, we've got the date. We don't really need the day of the week, so we're going to highlight that column here and hide it. We've got the first name and last name, also the full name, so we don't need the full name here. We're going to right click and hide this column as well. Now what we'll do is we'll copy over this table into a new sheet. So we'll highlight the table, copy, go to sheet 2, and now we'll paste. And you can see that that day of the week and the full name is still there. Now we didn't want that to happen. So to get rid of these columns and make sure that they're only showing the ones that we've selected, I'll show you quickly how to do that. And it's as simple as, again, highlighting this original table in sheet 1 with the hidden columns. And we're going to go up to the ribbon, select Home, go to the Find and Select option. Go down to the fourth option there, which is Go to Special, and when the pop-up box appears you go down to Visible Cells Only. Now what this is doing is selecting the visible cells only. You can see this white highlighted section indicating where there's some hidden columns, and now I'm going to do the usual process by right clicking, copy, and you can now see that the copied section has these breaks of where these hidden columns are. Go into sheet 3 this time, select A1 and paste options, paste, and now those columns have disappeared and you've just left with the ones that you wanted in the first place. Now, really handy trick, if this is something that you do regularly and you don't want to go through that process of selecting Find and Select and click and Go to Special, you can add it to your custom toolbar. I'll quickly show you how to do that, and it's really handy. So before I do, don't forget, if you like what you see, please subscribe or check that like button, and if you've got anything else you want me to go through, put it in the comments section. So I'm going to add a shortcut to this Find and Select Go to Special. I'm going to add it to the quick access bar up here next to the save icon and the undo icon. Now you can do this with anything that's in the ribbon, and I'll just do it for this one to show you an example. You'll go over to that selection again, which is Find and Select. Instead of left clicking Go to Special, I'm going to right click it and I'm going to add it to the quick access toolbar, and you'll find there'll be a new icon added up here. Add to quick access toolbar, and there it is. This is Go to Special. So for example, if on another occasion I go back to my table, I've selected what I want, I don't have to go through the ribbon and select everything. I can go straight to my quick access toolbar, and now Go to Special appears, visible cells only, and I can copy and paste as I did before. So hopefully this helps you out, stops the frustration of this particular tip and trick here. So really appreciate your time, and I'll speak to you again another time.